only issue is that this has two skateboard bearings in each end, and it is too free at movement. So when the filament gets pulled, see there, I am touching that. It's going round maybe a good half turn, and we're getting these loops here. And there's a chance that it's going to get tangled up. So what I'm going to look at is a way of changing this so it's not too see now that if I try to wind that back on one-handed, it's going to get tangled. As soon as I wind it on, you watch when I let go. See? That's going to spool an awful lot, that, because the filament is so springy. This is PET G, by the way. I can't really show it well. I'm not going to show you that, it's okay. So I'm going to change this somehow, maybe pin another one that just isn't so free. Now I'm faking this, I haven't touched it for a while. You see how this is gone. So something needs doing with this roller in here. It is far too free. This is obviously a different type of filament. This is PLA, and you can see, as it's pulling, sometimes the spool wants to spin quite a bit. It's so bad, as I showed you earlier, it'll cause looseness and come off the spool, and then it's going to get tangled. So here I'm going to print out basically a washer that will go between this end plate sort of thing here and the part that rolls around. Okay, there's a bolt in here. I'm hoping that we can tighten it or slacken it so that it just has that bit of friction. So I'm putting that in PLA just now. Won't show you that. See on the display there, 5-inch display from SOVOL. This is a bayonet fitting, although on yours it'll have like a locking ring on the end. There's an Allen bolt in here. I'm going to undo that off camera and show you. So here's the end. So look in here. See, there's a skateboard bearing in there. There's one on the other side as well. What I do then is put this sort of washer on here. Screw that back in, I'll show you that. You can see that in my case it's a purple PLA, 1mm thick. I've tightened this up so that it totally stops this from rotating, but you can loosen it off, so you know, adjust it a bit there. But even like that, well, with these plastic spools, I don't know about cardboard ones. See, that's free to move. You pull it quite firmly, it doesn't turn too much now, so there's less chance of it like unwinding off the spool with this washer. A simple quick print.